Analysis for Office is SAP's easy-to-use Excel-based application that delivers very powerful integration with BW queries and other data sources. It will be the primary tool used to manually enter planning data and to run planning sequences. The features of A4O is vast, and it can take a book on its own to cover all the functionality available. So this book will cover only the functions that are necessary for planning. We will go through the following features of A4O. Add queries to a workbook, add planning sequences to a workbook, and add buttons to the workbook. This lecture is based on Analysis for Office version 2.7 patch 2. When installing Analysis for Office, a new ribbon is displayed in Excel called Analysis with various groups. Now, in a new installation, some of these groups might not be available, and we can activate these groups or display these groups by going to File, Analysis, Customize Analysis, and Customize User Interface. We can then select the various groups that needs to be displayed or deactivated. So I can deactivate planning and see that the planning group disappears, and to reactivate it, simply follow the path again and go to planning. Now I can save my settings as well under a profile. We are now going to add queries to our workbook. We have two price planning queries that has to be added to the workbook. Since queries are defined as data sources, we click on Insert Data Sources and select Data Sources for analysis. Then a history is displayed, or we can search for our queries. So in our case, it's TPRP1, and it's a wildcard, and we're going to restrict it to only queries, and we can search, and it will bring back the results. So I'm going to add the material group prices query, and double click will bring up the selection screen, and I can enter my variables as required. So OK,